Right.
Hi, I'm Alii Smith, part of the TheBMXConcept, and I'm going to do a bike check. Currently I'm riding a Haro 300.1 series frame, and my front rim is a Alienation PBR rim with a Kenda front tyre that came with the bike. We got Sub Rosa, some kind of Sub Rosa grips, which I thought were pretty sick, so I bought them. I have my back rim is a Alienation PBR rim as well, and I have my back tyre is an Odyssey dirt path tyre. My pedals are Haro recycled plastic ones, which they're pretty good. You can get them in different colours apart from black. Get them in purple and orange and other colours. My cranks is the ones that came with the bike, and so's my sprocket and my forks and my bars and my stem and my headset, but it's got an integrated headset, so I like that. And my down tube is chromo, and up here is chromo. I don't know what it's called, I can't remember because I'm a forgetful person. But yeah, that is pretty much my bike check. So thank you for listening, and soon George will be doing his bike check on his Diamondback NNY. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Right. Say bye.
Bye.